Hello everyone. If you are getting a notification that your startup disk is full, don't worry. I will help you. Now, let's understand that why this happens. It happens because of nearly full storage. And sometimes, even if your MacBook has some space, it does pop up. So now, let me show you how to fix it. This fix is for people whose storage is almost full. First, go to the top left on your screen, click on the Apple logo, click on About this Mac. Then, click on Storage, click on Manage. Now, click on Trash and delete all files which are not useful to you. Click on Documents, and here you can select files and delete files that are not helpful to you. Also, go to the file browser and from here as well, delete files that you don't need. Do remember that the files you delete from here will be deleted permanently. Now, the next fix is for people whose storage is not full, but it still shows an error. So first, turn off your Mac. Then once it is completely shut down, press the power button and immediately press Shift plus Command plus P and R together until you see the login window. And I'm sure this will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.